Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome. Today, in the daily newspaper, in this puzzle page on Saturday, April the 22nd, 2023, we have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku. Well, it's actually a 2 stars. It has 26 printed digits, and this one also a 3-star Sudoku, but it's actually 1-star Sudoku because it has 27 printed digits. Then we have a killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, 10 by 10. I will do this one. This one has 25 printed digits, and this one has 27. And we have a tectonic puzzle. So 4 puzzles I will do today, and this one is 26 printed digits. Let me start with this one. Yes, this one with 26 printed digits, and this one will be number 6317. 6317. Let me put this here. Told you earlier, this one has 26 printed digits if you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. It will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Yeah, if you compare it with the additional, the additional I will do. We have also another additional in this newspaper. I will do those puzzles tomorrow on Sunday. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Done. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the second column. So no 6 there, so the only place left for 6 should be there. Let me use another pencil, okay. So 2 numbers left in the last row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, we have a pair, 4 and a 9 in the third column, 4 and a 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. That means those 2 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Can I feel this yet? No. Wow, need to wait. 1 and 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3, okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 6, 6, 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I've told you we have here 2 missing numbers. These 3 should be 3, 5, 7. So the other 2 should be 1 and the 8 are missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 now in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes and 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row will be 3. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. 7 and a 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now. Let me see. 1. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. The only place left for the 5 it should be there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay. Then 8, 2, 8, and then the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the middle row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, the 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then let me think, yeah, the 4 in the first row, the 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the third row. No 3, 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 12 minutes. Wow. Maybe minus 2. Well, we solve it again. It's a 2 stars Sudoku. Well, wrong indication. 3 stars. But I love this 1. In the flow, you will solve this. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.